Good day, welcome to King William's Everything. Sometimes a guy says to himself, you know what, I need a dirty couch. A really, really nasty, dirty couch for my house, because that's what I really, really want, really, really need. I'm going to show you a couple options, and then we're going to show you some that I found out in the wild you can kind of choose from. The first one, Facebook Marketplace, probably a good place to go looking. You're going to find some nice stuff. People are usually going to, they think their couch is worth $1 million, so they're going to charge $1 million. Sometimes you get a $50 couch. Depends on what you're looking for. But at least you can see the person, so you can kind of see if it's a savory person or not. Craigslist, always bad. Two types of things you're going to find on there. You're going to get murdered or robbed. That's it. There's nothing else out there on Craigslist, so you might want to skip that unless you're really, really got a little gang with you, and then go for it. IKEA. You can get some nice furniture there, low quality, but still a little out of a price range. You can see some of these are $129. You got see this one's $650, $1,500. Let's see, $399. Here's some on sale for $149. That's not too bad. This one's $350. Still kind of pricey. We're gonna go L cheap, super cheap. IKEA, I like it. I just don't have that kind of cash. Most people don't. So the best bet, Goodwill. Goodwill, you're going to find the finest, the cheapest quality furniture ever made by man, and they get it for free, and they sell it to you, which is really cool. So you're helping out the community. So we're going to take a look at a couple couches here, and I got to warn you, these are actual couches that really are at Goodwill. I just found them this weekend. I went to just one or two Goodwills, and this is the couches that they had. They had two couches, and the first one, you can see this one. This one kind of looks like. You ever see the show, Chappelle show, where Rick James comes on and grinds his feet into Eddie Murphy's nice new white couch? I think this is the couch. See, it's pre-stained. It's got a whole bunch of stickers all over it. Look at all the beautiful stains. More stains over there. And it's filthy. I mean, absolutely filthy. And here's the price tag. Can you guess the price tag on this? Let's zoom in a little bit more. And it is $30. $30 for a very stained, very dirty, worn out couch. So that's a possibility. We're going to put that in the possible pile. And the next one, I think you're going to be this one. The price is a little high for me. This beautiful leather couch. You can see it's very worn in, beautifully worn in. You can see there's obviously the driver's side there is kind of a little worn on the handrest and the seat, and then the pilot side's a little cruddy. But here's the driver's side. You can see, man, there ain't no leather left on this. So this is a leather minus leather couch. So a lot of leather on this couch is missing. But it looks like she might be comfy and worn in. And then if you look over here's the price tag. Take a look at it. Can you see what price they're asking for it? Might want to zoom in a little bit. It looks to me like it's $7.99. I'm thinking, oh, that's not bad for a cruddy old couch. $7.99. Oh man, we are wrong. I think we need to zoom in. Let's zoom in. But sit down first. Let's zoom in. $79.99. $80 for that couch. And I think you're getting pretty sweet deal on that for $80. So I was almost ready to grab it, but I'm thinking, you know what? I think somebody else may really need this more than I do, because $80 for that, it's a good deal, a little pricey. So anyway, if you're looking for like the finest dirty couch imaginable, check out your local Goodwill. Not all Goodwills carry furniture. Most of them do. And it's pretty surprising. If you can dump off or get your couch there and dump it off at their little pickup area, they're going to put it on the floor for you. They're not going to throw that out because they know somebody wants that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And that's you. Have a great day.